Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you came to our YouTube channel for first time, please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit bell icon. So in this video we will discuss how we can resolve this error. So I'm trying to create a PO. I'm trying to create a goods receipt document with respect to purchase order, but I'm getting this error. You can see account determination for entry this PRDX 3000 not possible. So this is the account determination error, and we will see that how we can resolve that. So that we are facing in S4 HANA 2023 version. So how we can resolve that? First of all, what you need to do, just copy this error and just paste that in notepad. Okay, because these details are important here, like this is a company code, this is account key, and this is a valuation class. So that's important. The same account determination error is going to resolve like if that entry will be different, key will be different, valuation class will be different, procedure will be same, but it will be resolved like that only. Okay, so you must know how to read the error first. So first just copy and just paste in notepad, right? Like account determination for entry this PRD X 3000 not possible. So here 1700 is company code, right? And PRD is account key, and 3000 is a valuation class. Let's suppose if you are getting the error like entry is 1000, that means your company code is 1000, key is BSX or GBB, whatever it is, it can be different. Okay, and valuation class may be different also, right? It can be 3001, it can be 7900, or it can be any valuation class, but the procedure is going to be same. So how we can resolve that error? Let's see. So we will just open a new screen. Let me So we will open a T code. We will open a new screen using T code /o OBYC. OBYC. Hit enter. And here, just see here. I'm getting this for key PRD, right? So let me find PRD key here in transaction key. Just find PRD key. So just go below. So this is a key. Just double click here. And here you need to give your chart of account. So from where you can find out how you can know what's your chart of account. So you can go in OBYC, and there you can check all the details like your chart of account, your posting period variant, all the details you can see there. So in my case the chart of account is 1700. So hit enter. Now see here, it's not there like 3000 valuation class. For 3000 valuation class there is not a GL account is assigned here. So what I will do, I will assign a GL account with this valuation class 3000. Why with 3000? Because you can see in the error I'm getting this for valuation class 3000. So I have to assign a GL account for 3000 valuation class, and let me give this GL account. Now you can see it's posted. So like that you can resolve the error. So thank you, thanks a lot. May God bless you all.